Hello, dear students. Again, welcome you all to this session number 24. In this session, we are going to discuss about scene number 7, which is continued part of the scene 7. Now, let me share slides with you. So, in this session, you are going to learn about Sivanaga's explanation of water and reflection. Here's water. Here, water and reflection used symbolically. And you will also know, you will also be able to recognize Yonaga's search for beauty. In this scene, Prince looks at his own reflection in the water. You already know that in the previous discussion, Prince Yonaga Deva goes near the pond to see his image. So when he saw his image in the water, you know that water trembles and waves rises, which is inauspicious sign going to happen in the future of Shivanaga Deva. Prince looks at his own reflection in the water. The reflection of the prince came up floating like corpse. But Shivanaga Deva feels that it is the lamp maiden. She is inside the water. She is calling him. So that's why even though he sees his own reflection, he feels that she is the lamp maiden. Prince Sivannagadeva is very happy to see the reflection because, as I already told, he felt that she is lamp maiden and talking to that corpse. He tries to hold the reflection in his cupped hands, but water spills out between his fingers. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮುಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನೀರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸೋರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. So like that, water spills out between his fingers. So when water spills out between fingers, he feels that lamp maiden has gone back. And in desperation, Prince cries loudly, "Maiden, maiden." According to the prophecy, the prince becomes monk if he sees his own image in the water. This is one of the dangerous prophecy warned by the family god to Mayavati Devi. And he told in an order to the Mayavati Devi, the prince should not see his own image. So, the prophecy ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರಾಜ ಶಿವನಾಗ ದೇವ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಶುಭ ಸೂಚಕವಾಗಿರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ. Mother Mayavati Devi guards the prince with utmost care from his childhood not to see his own reflection. Everyone says that the lamp maiden does not exist. Everyone means elders in the court, Mother Mayavati Devi also, even his friend Javli, everybody feels that. So no lamp maiden exists in the world. But Prince Sivannagadeva feels that lamp maiden is inside the pond. In that desperation, angry prince reacts that all are cheats in the palace, all are cheats in this world, because no one believes that lamp maiden exists. But he says that lamp maiden exists in the world. The prince narrates to Jowli about the incidents happened at the pond. And you know that Jowli was also appointed as a spy in the previous session. And he follows wherever the Prince Sivanagadeva goes. The Prince Sivanagadeva finds the lamp maiden inside the pond. And when he finds her, the lamp maiden floats towards him in the waves, and speaks to him. She did to him whatever he did to her. And also she glitters like a fish. And he feels very happy. The prince touches the lamp maiden and becomes one with her. They become one like indivisible zero. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಝೀರೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಬೇರ್ಪಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಮೇಡನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿವನಾಗ ದೇವನನ್ನ. Because Shivanaga Deva is that much of mad in the love of lamp maiden. He's not ready to believe that she doesn't exist in the world. Hmm? Even though Mother Mayavati Devi tells him that he's not in his possession and he's behaving strangely, rudely, madly. Only Shivanaga Deva knows whatever his condition. Everyone feels him, he is the mad king now. And after becoming individual zero, they are becoming transcending form. Transcending means they go beyond the limits. ಒಂದು ಲಿಮಿಟಿನ ಆಚೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. And at the end, they becoming God. Javli enquires the prince whether the reflection had sprouting mustache and a dark mole on its right cheek, on his right cheek. So, whenever Prince Shivanaga Deva explains him whatever that happens, the incidents happens at the pond, Javli inquires him that whether his reflection had a sprouting mustache ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಡ್ಡ, and a dark mole on its right, on his right cheek, not its, on his right cheek. Then Javli clarifies, this is the disillusionment of Prince Shivanaga Deva. Prince Shivanaga Deva will be in hallucination. Hallucination ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಭ್ರಾಂತಿ, ಡಿಸಿಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಭ್ರಾಂತಿ. ಒಂದು ಭ್ರಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವನಾಗ ದೇವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜವಳಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅದು ನಿನ್ನದೇ ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Whether that reflection has sprouting mustache and a dark mole on its right cheek. That then he clarifies the prince has seen his own reflection in the pond. But Shivanaga Deva denies everyone's suggestion and tries to prove himself to be right. ಆದ್ರೆ ಶಿವನಾಗ ದೇವ ರೆಡಿ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೋಸಗಾರರು. ನಾನು ನಾನು he says that I have seen tirsanpige in the sorry I have seen lamp maiden in the pond. Hence here water and reflection are used to depict the disillusionment of Prince Shivanaga Deva. Whatever you call disillusionment and or hallucination, the water and reflection here symbolically used to depict or to describe the condition of Prince Shivanaga Deva. With this discussion, I would like to end this scene 7.